Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 7, 8, and 9 of the Essence of Time, which is hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And she's on YouTube and Instagram, and this is a 100-day project where you take 10 minutes of your day to see what you can do. But these next few episodes, or the remaining episodes, I've decided that I'm going to be doing, it's a total of 3 sessions, but the first 2 sessions, they are going to be recorded, but they're going to be sped up to condense the time. But I am doing them in 10-minute sessions, but instead of recording every single day, I'm just going to do like every 3 days, something like that. And that way we can kind of get the progress done or whatever. All right, so today, well, we've already made the cover and this right here, and then on the last session we did some stamping and fussy cutting because I wanted some of the stuff to match that little coffee cup that I drew. And so I just stamped and dyed, or not dye, I just stamped and fussy cut some like coffee themed images and things like that could go with it. But as time goes on, I'm still gonna, get words and things of that nature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the alarm for 10 minutes, and I'm going to start working on the background. And for the first 2 sets of sessions, you'll see me when the time stops, I'll like chime in, and then when I start it again, I'll chime in again. And when it starts and stops, I'll chime in for the first 2, and then you'll see the whole full thing for the 3rd session. All right. Okay, so the time stopped, so that's the end of the first session. And well, so now I'm going to go ahead and start the 2nd session. I'm just going to go ahead and do it in like one setting. All right, so let's go ahead and do our next 10 minutes. time's up and I didn't finish stitching this, but I will. So, and I'll show you what it looks like when I've completed it. Okay, so for the first 2 sessions, we were able to just put some spray, what's that, Distress ink spray, vintage photo, and I forgot that other one. And then we added a little bit of paper on here, and you know, distressed it and stuff like that. Added the little circles, the coffee ring circles, and some little bit papers, vintage papers and whatnot. And then oh, I forgot to cut that off. And then we just created this little pocket. And my dilemma is, I do like that, but I feel like I'm covering up too much of that. So what I'm going to do, and I hope it's not a bad idea, this is still going to be a pocket, but I'm just going to tear a portion of this, going straight across, or kind of at a diagonal in a way. And this is basically, I think I'm going to stitch this going up so I don't, and it'll become a pocket for up here. And then we'll have this one down here, and we'll still be able to see our page, or pages, you know what I mean? And these two will still kind of bring each other in together. And I might just take a piece of this scrap pink paper, since I'm in the process of stitching, maybe put this up underneath it, and then glue it up here. So we'll have the pink from this page over here, and then the green and everything still meshing together. Hope I'm in frame. All right, so let's go ahead and start our clock. 10 minutes. And let's see, where did I put my distress? I'm just going to distress this. I'm trying to get as much as I can to complete this layout. But I am going to add on this little bit of pink and stitch it on together. I'm going to add it to this little bottom part right here, so that this will be a it's going to be like a pocket and a tuck. I think I'm gonna bring it down like that, so I can stick something down back and inside of there. So let's go ahead and glue these. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this right here in place. I feel like I need something else right here. I might hold off on that right there before gluing it, but I am definitely going to go ahead and glue this together and then stitch it. And all these are this is Happy Meal. This pink paper, I think I got it from Felicia of Where Baking and Crafting Meets, like 2 or 3 years ago. And then I think I got this light pink paper. It's homemade paper from Ren Shotwell. God, it's been years. And so you'll see in here, there's going to be different people's stuff that other people made that go really well with what I'm making, or what I'm trying to construct. Go ahead and cut that. And then stitch this little bit right here. All right, so we got that. And I have a notion to put these little beads. Yeah, I am. I want to glue these going straight across. And these art glue. Somehow, I don't know how I always do this, I lose my stuff when I need it the most. Oh, it actually works. Shocking amazing. I don't know why. Like when I'm not looking for it, like it's there. When I'm looking for it, and especially when I'm under pressure, and there's like a time constraint, I cannot find it. I can't find my small scissors, can't find a little small stamping block, and I don't know what I did with the little thingy, you know, that. Anyway, so we've got a little pocket right here. I think I am just going to go ahead and glue it in here, because we're trying to get this completed. Okay, so this is going to be kind of like an open, maybe I should put it here. I'm going to round off these corners a little bit. I'm just going to try to do some quick distressing. We still have 6 minutes left, so it's not too bad considering all I've done so far. Okay, and I think I will just go ahead and put it up here just cause. Alright, so it's going to be kind of open, so you can tuck something up in there. It was going to be a belly band, but I don't think it's necessary. I think it serves a better purpose as like a little tuck spot. So we'll just tuck something up under here, and then we have that little pocket right there. So at least we got that. Oh, we do need an image. We'll get that on another day. Like I said, I think I need, I really think I need something up under here. Maybe something black or something dark. Yeah, I'm digging through my scraps. Let's see if we can find something black. I'm gonna make it work. Alright, I'm just gonna see if I can. Yeah, we're gonna glue this on there. And then I am going to glue this down. Yeah, I like that black. I think that kind of helped it a little bit. So we've got about like 3 minutes left. I'm just looking for little bits of ephemera that I could probably just stick in here just temporarily. Oh, I could actually put this there. Or I could put this. Oh, I like that. I might just put that there. Or even over here. I don't want to cover that up. We'll hold that thought. Oh my god. I remember this. Some of it's Happy Meal, some of the stuff that I made from other projects. We'll just stick this in here for now. And how that looks right there. Alright, time is up. I'll get to decorate this later. But I had fun. This was a fun session. We'll be decorating later on another session. Matter of fact, I'll just probably make pages and then decorate later. Or, no, I want to finish it. So on the next layout, we'll finish decorating and stuff like that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And feel free to join in and participate in the hashtag Essence of Time. And if you do decide to participate and you want to share some of your works, just use the hashtag Essence of Time, and we'd love to see what you did. And I'll have a link in the description for all the participants, because it's Vera of Spilt Coffee Crafts, and there's Brenda of Works on YouTube, and Gurwayan on Instagram. And we have several other Instagram Instagram participants. And I'll have a link in the description for all of their names and links and stuff. So once again, thanks so much for watching, and happy crafting.